stars. Title, Looks Serene. Merong tubod. Water and electricity. More or less 100 meters from the cemented road sa Barangay Waterfall, Anapu City. Ideal for anything but poultry can be. Meron po tayong electricity na. Yan, planted siya with banana and coconut tree ang area.